We have 479 minus 364. So let's subtract by finding the difference. So let's start on 364 and count forwards until we get to 479. So if we add 100, that takes us to 464. Now adding 10 takes us to 474, and another 5 takes us to 479. So we added 100, then 10, then 5, so altogether we added 115. So 479 minus 364 equals 115. Now we have 671 minus 155. So if we start on 155, how many hundreds do we need to add to reach 655? Well, 1 plus 5 is 6, so we need to add 5 hundreds. And now we've added our hundreds, we can add our tens. We don't want to reach 675 because that would be too many. So let's just add 10 to reach 665. And now we can add our units. 5 more takes us to 670, and then we just need 1 more to take us to 671. So we added 500, 10, 5 and 1. 5 and 1 make 6, so altogether we added 516. So that's our answer. Now pause the video and see if you can answer 484 minus 256 by finding the difference. So starting on 256, we can add 200 to make 456. Now we need to add our tens, and we don't want to aim for 486 because that would be too many. So let's make 476. If we have 5 tens, we need 2 more tens to make 476. Now we can add 4 to make 480, and another 4 takes us to 484. So we added 200, 20, 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, so we added a total of 228. So 484 minus 256 equals 228. Now we have 435 minus 278. So we start on 278. Adding 200 would take us to 478, but that would be too many. So we only want to add 100, which takes us to 378. Now we can add our tens. So another 30 gives us 408. Now how many more tens do we need to add? Well, 3 more tens would take us to 438, but that would be too many. So we can add another 20 to make 428. Now 2 more takes us to 430, and another 5 gives us 435. So we've added 100, 30, 20, 5 and 2. So 30 plus 20 is 50 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So we added a total of 157. So 435 minus 278 equals 157. Now pause the video and see if you can find the difference between 622 and 266. So let's start by adding hundreds to 266. We don't want to get to 666 because that would be too many. So let's add 300 to make 566. And now we can add our tens. So another 40 takes us to 606. And then another 10 takes us to 616. Now we can add our units, so 4 more gives us 620, and then we just need another 2 to reach 622. So we added 300, 40, 10, 4 and 2. 40 plus 10 is 50, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So we added a total of 356. So that's our answer.